But man, you can see, look at the weight.
Lying on the floor, just a rebel on your own. On a bedroom trip. On a bedroom.
So I'm gonna put these in front of our garage, or I might go with these stones. Haven't decided yet. So there's no driveway or anything for the garage. So I thought maybe putting them just like in here. I mean, there were stones at one point, or at least someone put some stones, but they never completed it. So I don't know how, if this, yeah, it looks like it's just dirt here. So I thought maybe just right up in here, just to get to the garage. Alright, so this Ford Explorer is handling these stones pretty good. But man, you can see, look at the weight. And we're even slanted on a hill, so it should be higher up in the back end, but as you can see. So we got 20 bags of these stones. Now, I wonder how heavy they are. Doesn't look like it says anywhere. Yeah, I'm not sure how heavy they are per bag. So I can lift it with one hand, so I'm guessing maybe 35, 40 pounds. Not exactly sure. So, I don't know, 40 pounds times, probably 35, 40, yeah, times 20, so you guys can add that up. So, we're going to be putting that right here, or I'm going to be putting it right here. Eventually I want to run it along the whole way. Right now, as you can't see because of all the beautiful leaves, we got it here already, but I wasn't able to finish it because I ran out of stone before. So what I have left from doing the front, as you can see, you can still see the black mat underneath the stone. That's because I haven't finished out in that area. So, alright, time to get to work. This is why the Ford Explorer is an excellent beater vehicle. So, I use this to haul kinds of stuff. As you can see, there's straw in here, never cleaned it out. From sticking stuff, I think this might have been from the last, no, that was from me shoving stuff in here when I moved. Purposely bought it for daily driver. It's been a great daily driver vehicle. This really ain't about that, so time to get on with that, but it's a good workhorse. Alright, now I'm going to lay down black fabric, landscaping. It helps prevent weeds to come up. So I'll lay that down and then I'll put the stone down. Not sure how wide I want to go over here. Maybe a little more wider. I stirred up an ant nest. So they're not too happy with me right now. Alright, so we got it down. Just need to straighten it out in here. But I also got a 7.5 foot wide by 14 feet long rubber mat that's going in here as well. The garage is unfinished, obviously, and it wasn't taken care of for the last, well, the last owners were here I think 16 years and they didn't take care of it, so who knows how long before that. So, you know, I had to do a lot of cleaning to get the floor right. I put down first shingles, and the paper that they use with the shingles, I've been saying, Oh, I'm so tired. Anyway, yeah, so there's a pile of shingles in here. So I just laid them down first, then this aluminum, roll of aluminum that I laid down on top of that, because the floor under that had carpet, and then it's just stone, and I try to clean all the nails and stuff out. Now I'm going to put down rubber. It's just kind of a poor man's way of doing it, but yeah, anyway, I'm going to get at this. So, interesting fact, they gave me some of the wrong sizes. So it's all supposed to be one size, but these are really big. Then you look over here, and these are really small, really fine, huge. So, two different kinds. One of the, I think they're supposed to be smaller ones. I mean, look at these over here. Just massive. It doesn't, I don't think it looks as nice, but I mean, they're mixed in, so can't really tell that big of a difference. So yeah, we're getting there. Again, I want to go up the whole side, but it takes so much, so I don't know how much we're going to be able to get done. I want to close the door and see how far I need to go down for it to be even, so stay tuned. Alright, we're going to get a good look at, so it looks better once everything's dried. These stones are always come wet. Alright, so that's what we're looking at now, so I can go a lot higher. So we're going to keep the door closed. Nasty cobwebs. I need a pressure washer. Pressure wash the garage. Okay, so now we get an idea how high we can go. Oh, I got my camera all dirty. Look, check out my hands. This stuff is nasty, but so we got it lined up. I think we got it lined up pretty good. Looks nice, I think. So with stone, it will resettle, so it probably will drop down a little bit. So I might have to add a bag and scatter it out over time, because I'm going to be driving over this, so it's definitely going to go down in certain spots because the pool. So yeah, but it looks nice. We still got 2 bags up there, but I want to use them to complete the job up there. Bunch of bags here, so we'll see if I decide to go around now, if I want to do that another time. Probably do it while I'm here. This massive tree drops a lot of massive leaves, so it looks horrible right now. I want to take a leaf blower, blow all these leaves out here. It looks so much nicer. And plus, it's not complete yet. I need to re-edge it and go over it a lot better. So let's take a look how it looks from the inside. So one thing about me is, besides motion lights, I also have a video camera hooked up, and I also, I don't rely just on the door lock. I actually put bolts in at a bunch of places that I manually got to take out every time I want to get the car. Okay, so it looks like, as I open and close the door, they're gonna fall down in. I wish I could have had the mat. Wonder if I can do this mat a little better, because I don't want the stones to fall on top of here, because then I'll drag them inside here. So I might lift the mat up enough that the stones, and just put the stones underneath it so it's even. So we might bring 2-3 bags of stone in here, put it under the mat to get the mat about this high. So yeah. Alright guys, back to work. Alright, we got it lined up. everything's good to go, you know, using with what I got. Closes great. Oh, let's see what else we shall do. I don't know, we still got some bags left. I think I'm gonna put 2 bags in here, and you know, after over time as it gets pushed down by the vehicle driving in and out. It's gonna be a headache until the rocks get washed off. So it's probably gonna bring in a fair amount of dirt and stuff. A lot of that red. But once that's all worn off on the rocks, it'll be good. Alright, we're done for now. 5 p.m. Time to shower, time to eat. I'm starving, so doesn't look too bad. Once we get the other mat in here, it's gonna go out to about up in here, so cover all this. So that'll look a lot nicer. And also guys, it would mean a lot to me if you go subscribe to my channel, and also click the little icon here to turn on notifications. That way anytime I upload a new video, you guys get to see it. So thank you guys very much, and enjoy the rest of the video, or check out all my other videos.